Hey, how you doing? You right?
Okay, you guys.
I'm gonna film him filming that and you filming him.
Awesome.
In action.
Everything's happening. Okay, no.
No, not here. Alright, just got off the boat. We are walking to the temple right now.
Hey? Okay.
We are currently in Grand Palace. In Thai it's called Wat Pra Kew. I'm here today with my friend. They came from UK. They are on a vacation here in Thailand, and after this they're gonna go to Vietnam and some other countries in Southeast Asia. Film squad. We're getting really sweaty because it's really warm today.
This place is called Grand Palace.
Yeah, it is.
Okay,
it is
we
Grand Palace.
We just come to chill out here. This guy from Manit Media, he's the main guy. The main.
A little behind the scene of FMI Production. Look at that. So hot! My God! Wow, it's so beautiful in here. So much of details in the architecture and in the building. We have been filming for like around 2 hours in here, and so far it's been really good. Look at the view here. Amazing. So hungry right now. And thirsty and so hot today, yeah. And we are about to go get some lunch, get some food to eat. You guys fancy some Thai food?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's try some Thai food.
Thai food all the way.
Yeah. We are finally getting some food to eat. Look at this.
This is amazing.
This is absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
Fried soup everywhere.
Uh-huh.
I've never tried soup as delicious as this. Chili had half of this chili,
Yeah.
and the chili kicked
I think
in
he
10
cried
minutes
a little
later.
bit. Yeah, he's crying.
What about this other half?
No, I don't think I can
Can't
have
handle it, no.
it. But the food,
How do you guys like the food?
Amazing.
How would you rate it out of 10?
12.
12? What about
Especially
you?
the duck.
more than that.
More than that? We are getting into the boat. We're gonna go to Asiatique now. Look at this, beautiful. We're using these boats as the walkway, and and then we cross. Setting up the drones. Almost ready to fly the drone.
It's quite windy though.
Yeah, it's quite windy. Yeah. Look at that. Here we are. Yeah. All right. We flew the drone for about 10 minutes, and then tell them what happened.
So somebody just tapped my shoulder, and I turned around. It happens to be. It turned out to be the police.
Yeah.
I was like, shit, I was like, shit. Well, you gotta bring it down. I thought he's gonna find me.
We had to take it down. Yeah, but we managed to get some really nice shot of that view.
Yeah.
It was worth flying. And look at this sunset right now. Beautiful. Wait on. Look at this. Castle. Wow. Look at that. Look at you guys. Look at you guys.
Look at my time lapse.
Yeah, there is a time-lapse setup over there. He's killing it totally. Look at that composition, beautiful.
Yeah.
Subscribe,
Yeah, make sure you follow the link in the description below.
Smash that thumbs up button and kiss that subscribe button.
Also hit that notification squad as well.